Hey guys. All right. I always say all right really loud. I'm trying to stop that, but all right. Shit. Okay, live videos, right? I don't know. I like doing them, so. I've got the hay cutter set up in front of me here, right there. And there was a good conversation this week about, is it going to be a two-piece construction? Actually, I want to show you how flexible this thing is. It's pretty sweet. I'm gonna switch it around. So I'm just gonna be grinding it, and then I'm gonna apply a bit of acid on there, so I can see if it's two types of steel. Switch this around. All right, so yeah, that's my grinding kind of welding station. But check this out. There's a lot of flex in this thing. Pretty much back to straight too. Anyway, I've got no purpose for this. Making swords, not for me either, so I'm gonna switch it on. Hey, I see someone's watching, but I don't know who. It just shows me a little one and an eye. But yeah, so I'm gonna grind this guy just a little bit on the spine here, and I don't know, apply some of that acid and see if it shows up as two different types of steel. Funny. All right. All right, I'll be back. Getting just a bit of oil. I don't know if it needs to be a fine grit or not to really show up, but all right. Rotate your phone, sorry guys. Just gonna get a little bit of, oh geez. Sorry guys. That's unfortunate. All right, bit of acid. And I'll bring it back over there. Hey, Hugo. All right, so I'm just checking to see if the this hay cutter is one piece of steel or two pieces of steel. I don't know, is this even gonna work? Hugo, what do you think? Can I flip my phone? I'm gonna try, hang on guys. No, I can't do that. Sorry. All right. I'll bring it back to the steel here. And maybe change. All right. Holy shit. All right, so I'm just on here. I'm not seeing a color difference in the steel. Maybe. I'm gonna get a piece of sandpaper and give it a light sanding. So, like I said, I'm not sure if it's gonna show up, or if it'll just be one piece. There was a question about it being, is it two piece? Usually when I do an acid etch, I do a bunch of sanding in between, but usually at like 800 grit or something like that. I don't know, I usually feel super rushed on live videos. Maybe that's like the trick, is calming yourself down a little bit and not being rushed. I'm rushing though. All right, I'm getting, I see no color change, but all right, let's add a bit more. And I'll go give this another dip. Dip, dip, dip. Dip, dip. So what are you guys up to tonight? Did a bunch of work there earlier. And because it's about 6 p.m. Central time. All right, back down here. I don't see color changing. So I'm not sure. Maybe it's, well, take my glasses off. Looks like it might be a slightly different color. Nah, it's so light and faint. I think that's something that would appear pretty quickly. So, I don't know. There you have it. I'll give it a bit more sanding. Not put the acid soak brush near my face. But it looks like one piece steel. So, alright. I'll give you a final verdict in a little while, but right now, I don't know. Looks like one homogeneous piece. Although I'm getting, looks like slightly different color changes in here. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. Looks like one piece of steel. Solid? Yeah, thought so. All right, thanks, Hugo. Have a good week, guys. Hey, I'm back! So, alright, looks like single layer. What I want to do is use it to make a kitchen knife, so I don't know if I can even use that hay cutter. I checked with the file, and the file was just biting into the spine. I tried it, flipped it around, and it's super biting into the front as well. Like I did a bevel really quickly, and it's like nothing, so. Alright, so I just started up the forge. Don't laugh at my forge. You can laugh at it, I get it. It works though, but it's time for an upgrade. Alright, so I'm gonna get it going, and then I'm gonna quench it over here. So I'll turn it and go like that. So single layer. There's weird kind of colors going through it. I don't know what it's from. It's pretty much ready to go, so nice orange tip. Oh, heard it crack. I don't know if you heard the ting or not, but I sure did. Don't hear that very often. Ooh, we're walking around. It's like we're walking together. Alright, let's crack it. Then I'll move over to a place with a bit better light. I'm gonna grab my gloves. A glove. And woo, yeah, brittle. And I'm gonna grab the little piece because it's probably cooler. Just go bring the temperature of this down. Oh, actually it's cold. Alright. Get the light on. Oh, it looks actually really good. Probably better off this way. So, can I do that? I can. Can I zoom in? I can zoom in. So decent grain. Need like a magnifying glass on my phone. Anyway, whatever. Decent grain, all right. I'm gonna use it to make a knife. Sweet, see you guys.